Hi, this is Dina. Welcome to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe and don't miss further lessons. So now I'm going to talk about double O. Actually, this has two sounds, long and short. But in this lesson, I'm going to focus on the short version. Before studying it, let me give you examples for the long version, like food, boots. But here, it's going to be sounded like book, book, book. Let's look at the next word. Cook, cook, cook. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Foot, foot. Remember, it's not food. It is actually foot. Football. Do you like playing football? I'm into watching football matches. Foot, football. Okay, the next one. Took, took, took. The next word, wool, wool, wool. Now, let's take a look at the next row. Good, good, good. It's so good to see you. I'm doing good. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Hood, hood, hood. Look, look. Let's take a look. Let's have a look. Look. Sit, sit, sit. Stood, stood, stood. Last but not least, would, would, would. Okay. If you try to repeat many times, it's gonna be more easy for you to spell those out. Now, let's review one more time all the words. I'm gonna go first. You're gonna repeat after me. Book, cook, cookie, foot, football, took, well, good, goodbye, hurt, look, sit, stood, would. It's time to see those words in the sentences. Now let's practice the words in the sentences. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Or let me take a look. So in this sentence, the word look is going to be an example. Look. Look at me. Let me have a look. Next sentence. It took me 2 hours to get home. It took me. Took me. Took. In this sentence, the word took is going to be an example. It took me. It took him. It took them. Okay, the next one. The book was interesting. The book was interesting. The book. Book. Okay, next one. He's into playing football. He's into playing football. He's into playing football. Football. Foot, football. Last but not least, that sounds good. Or that sounds great. Here, I decided to make this one. That sounds good. Yeah, That sounds pretty good. Now let's repeat one more time the words, and if you want to, you can repeat after me. Look, look, took, took, book, book, football, football, good, good. Okay, that's it for today. I hope that was helpful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe, learn, and share. See you next time. Bye-bye.